Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Guylian Muffins. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a medium-sized mixing bowl and place in all of your wet ingredients. These include the cream, milk, eggs, light brown sugar and the melted butter. Then whisk everything to combine and set aside until needed later on. Then into another bowl, you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients. So this is the flour, the cocoa powder and the raisin agents. Don't forget to add in the chocolate chips and the hazelnuts at this point as well, and then just mix everything together until it's combined. You can then go ahead and add the wet to the dry mix, getting as much in there as possible, so give the bowl a really good scraping down. Then you don't need a mixer or anything to make the batter, just take your spatula and fold everything together until it's well combined. You're looking for a mixture, something similar to what I'm showing you. Then fill the cases around a third of the way, and do that for all of the cases, as then we'll be piping in a generous amount of Nutella. And feel free to use another chocolate hazelnut spread, this is just the one I had. Once you've filled them all with the Nutella, you can then go ahead and top it with the rest of the mixture, and then place these into the oven and bake them off. Once out of the oven and cooled, you can finish the muffins off, so simply take some Nutella and place it into a piping bag and pipe dollops on top of each muffin. Then top each muffin with some Guylian chocolate. I'm using the seashells, but feel free to use whatever you can get. So here are what the muffins look like once they are finished. Feel free to heat them up just a little bit in the microwave, as this will give the gooiness back. But as you can tell, look, you've got that perfect Nutella. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media posts. So don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.